In this video, I want to talk a little bit about the grains. We talked about this on Friday as we were trading into the market or into the USDA report that came out today, and we were preparing ourselves for a big fall in the market. Now, we had insurance policies in there in case we were wrong, in case the market wanted to rally, but our bias was to the downside, and if you want to go watch that video, that past video, we did that last Friday on the USDA report coming out. The gist of the report was that the crop was better than we had initially anticipated. With all the rain, the USDA came out initially and said, you know what, the farmers weren't able to get their crops in. They were not making good headway on corn, wheat, and soybeans, and we had a low production year this year. But that wasn't as true as they had initially thought. The farmers are very resilient. These guys are very good at what they do, all right? And even in the worst situations, they can make lemonade out of lemons. And so here we go with this USDA report coming out saying that we actually have way more corn in the field, wheat and soybeans, than we had initially calculated. And so, of course, that's bad for the farmers. And when it comes to prices, they did well, and their prices are falling now because there's a lot more out there than we had initially thought. And so our trading strategy was to buy a put, buy a call, use that as an insurance policy. I also bought sold some calls up here, collect a little premium if the market fell. And you can see this is in here on corn, and the market fell hard after we found out that there's a lot more corn out there than what we had initially anticipated. And so we have what do we have here? We have a put that we picked up on corn, and the put, you can see we bought a put and it's up $725. Of course, these numbers don't represent commissions and fees. This is the one that we sold. We sold a call up here, and I've already gone through and liquidated the other side, the insurance policies, and we'll go take a look at those in just a second. And so you can see total corn up $750, up $350 on this one. We're going to come down here and look at soybeans. Soybeans fell hard as well, up $118 on that one. And then if we come into wheat, we sold one and we picked up the put, and you can see we're up $1,237 on that one. Now let's come and look at this losing side. We're going to come and look at the closed orders. I closed out the losing side. You can see on soybeans, here we closed out $237.50. So soybeans were a little bit upside down on, waiting for that one to drop some more. We lost more than we're making right now. The wheat market in here, if we come into wheat, you can see that we down $425 and we're up $1,231. So that was a good insurance policy. We bought the insurance policy, paid $425 for it, but the upside on this one was $1237. So we're doing well on wheat. And then if we come into corn, which was the big move, we're down $500 on the insurance policy. We liquidated the insurance policy. We're up $1,000 on corn. So $500 on that one. So you can see overall, we got a couple of mini trades in there that we did, but on the stock market. But we can see in here we're down $891 today on the insurance policies, and then open positions were up $2,425 overall. So you can see playing into the USDA report for us today was a good deal, and I just wanted to wrap that up for you as a continuation of what we saw last week. Now at this point, of course, what are we going to do in the future? Obviously, we're going to follow the markets, and we're going to see where it might be prudent for us to liquidate our puts. But at this point, we're going to hang on to them for a little while and see how they go. As we talked about in the last one, the seasonals is still in a downslide, and we anticipate lower prices going all the way out into October. And so we're going to hang on to them for a little bit longer and see how things turn out. Hi, my name is Land Turner, and if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and click the thumbs up, and make sure you click that little bell too so that you can then be notified next time I post a video just like this one. If you've enjoyed this video, stop by our website, www.tradementors.com, and check out all the things that we have available there for you as well.